Hi, Jenny here. Today we are going to make some quick and healthy snack bites. I found this recipe from Two Healthy Kitchens. I've made snack bites before and I really like them, so I'm always up for a new recipe to try. Let's get started. Okay, this recipe calls for 1 cup of quick cooking oats, 1 cup of coconut, half a cup of crunchy peanut butter, 1/3 cup of honey, 1/4 cup of ground flaxseed meal, 1/4 cup of wheat germ, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and 1/4 cup of mini chocolate chips. We're basically just going to mix all of that together. I lined a baking sheet with a piece of wax paper, just so it makes it a little easier for them not to stick to that. We're going to roll the dough into 1-inch balls and just put them on here to set. This recipe for me doesn't seem to be sticking together as well, so I may need to add like some more peanut butter or something to give it more of that. But I'm going to try, I have a little scooper, and that seems to be holding the form a little bit better. I can put it in there tighter than just rolling it in my hands. And then I would say we'd probably have to refrigerate these for, half an hour to help keep the shape, keep it formed that way before either you want to eat them or store them. Alright, so there you have it. That was quick and easy. But for me, the ingredients didn't stick together in ball form as well as they should have. So maybe in the next recipe I would add a little bit more peanut butter and see if that would help. In any case, if you guys want to see another video from me, you can click up there. If you want to subscribe to me, you can click down there. I'm going to try my little snack here. You guys keep it positive. Go make it a great day. Bye-bye. It's very tasty. Good stuff.